Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. We are Friday night. You know what it is. It is time for Forex Talk Over Beer. So, hopefully, you guys ready. We're gonna have a pretty cool episode. And we're gonna have fun, man. So, if you don't have a drink right now, make sure you go grab a drink. Bam, because I'm in Ontario right now for a business event. I'm in a little hotel room right here. So actually, it's not a small room. It's like, man, it's almost like a full condo. I don't know. Hey, but the most important thing is I was able to find a microbrewery near this place. This is a New England IPA. It's called Foggy Shore, and this one is what is it? I don't know. Where is it? I can find the percentage, but whatever. So hopefully you guys doing good. So tonight we're gonna break down trades. We're gonna answer some questions. So make sure you get your questions ready. I'm gonna try to answer them all. And yeah, so basically for the new people, welcome. So if it's your first time here, this is called Forex Talk Over Beer. The concept of the show is pretty simple. We're just gonna have a little drink together. We're gonna talk Forex. So any subject about Forex, you ask your question about it. We'll try to answer them. We're gonna break down trades from the week, and also answer your question about those trades. So very simple concept, fun. It's Friday night. It's time to have fun, enjoy, go back and look at what happened during the week and see what we improve or what can we repeat the next week because we did amazing on certain things. This is not only mistakes, there's also some stuff that we do good and we want to repeat it. All right. So get your question ready. Also, make sure you get that drink because the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the official cheers. And first thing first, let's crack it up. All right, let's go. Let's pour this little baby. So as you come in on YouTube, make sure to smash the like button. I used to be streaming 4 times a week. Now I'm only streaming twice a week. I'm basically doing a live session on Tuesday morning, and I do Forex Talk Over Beer on Friday night. So I'm only streaming twice, and since then, the algorithm is just not helping me. So I need your help. I need you to smash the like button as you come in. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, make sure you do so. Let me just do a quick check here. I need to check something very quickly. There we go. Um, yep, live from. Okay, perfect. All right, so you guys ready for the official cheers? So I want you guys to get your camera, or you're gonna snap a picture. We're gonna do the official cheers, and you post that in your story. Tag my name on it. I will reshare it. Are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, cheers. All right. So if you didn't have time to take the picture, just rewind a little bit, pause it, take the picture, boom, and we do it. That's amazing. All right. So let's see if we have any comments, any questions coming up. You guys are quiet. Am I sound good? Am I talking to myself? Hopefully not. Can I have anyone to confirm that sound is good before I continue? Sure. Setting audio. Let me just double check here. Microphone 1 2 test check 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 check. All right. Seems to be working. Hopefully it's working. Hopefully. Can anyone confirm that? I hear you. All right, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, so let's jump into this trade now. So let's put this like this and boom. Oh, I'm not going to be able to do this on this. Yeah, because right now I'm doing it on my laptop because I'm away from home. I do apologize. So give me 1 sec here. I just need to fix something. All right, can you guys confirm that you see my screen moving? Oh, yeah, okay. I see it. Okay, perfect. All right, so this is a GJ trade from yesterday. I personally, this was an idea to swing trade this this setup, but actually ending up only scalping it. Jesus. I did some pre-drink before, so give me a chance here. All right. So first thing we need to check, all right, is our monthly is bullish, right? So the monthly time frame is definitely bullish. We're pushing up. If you look at the weekly is bullish also. Yes, we did a wick down here, but we are bullish. This was a pullback. If you look on the daily, we are bullish also. I mean, we respected the support. Honestly, I almost got an entry right here, but I didn't do it. And I'm going to be better at swing trading because this is something I'm working on. But look at this. This is something I mark with my students when scalping it. I was looking for break and retest. It played out super well, but didn't took it. But so now let's focus on what happened here. So here, if you look, we have an area where we know there's a lot of problem right here in this area. This is a very strong level. We finally broke that level. Now we need to wait for a retest. We waited for the retest. Retest came down. What is this yellow box? This yellow box is the rejection zone between the 50 and the 618 on the fib level. So now what you do is you go on a lower time frame. If you go on H1, all right, so if you go on H1, you see we broke this area. It's a retest of previous support, right? Retest of previous support. It's also what? It's also a fib rejection level right here. So I was waiting for a signal to get in that trade. This candle was a no-go. The reason why, we had a big wick, small body candle. I don't like that. Second candle here was a bearish doji, negative. This one was perfect. This one was nice engulfing candle closing above this QP in that golden zone, respecting this support, forming support at a previous support. I mean, wow, what can you ask more for this? And this ending up closing it like a 1-to-1. This was like a 25 pip profit, but this was my idea here. This was my idea to run it for 3-to-1. I didn't do that. Only did a 1-to-1. But it actually played out. It actually played out. Took profit right here. That was today at 5 a.m. Right. So this is something I'm going to be noting. And you know what? Next time I'll execute on that kind of setup and just hold it. But yeah, so this was a scalp, but that can also turn into a swing, right? So yeah, so pretty simple, waited to break a major area right here. Wait for the retest, pull up my fib. It was also a fib rejection. So mini confirmation, engulfing candle, closing above a QP. I mean, let's go. What else can you ask? So let's see if we have any question about that trade. Let me see here. Yep. Okay, perfect. Let's see. All right, no question. All right, we're good. We are good. Excellent. Excellent. Hey, cheers, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. I need your help here. All right, so now let's talk about the swing trade on NZD CAD. Yes, this was amazing. All right, so if you look at this, whoa, calm down here. So if you look here, monthly was bearish, weekly bearish, daily bearish, H4 bearish. So now knowing this, we need to go on, let's say, daily. All right, so if you look here, yeah, this was a previous trade. We actually already talked about that one. So here was, yeah, where was it? Give me one sec, guys. Trying to find the area right here. Perfect. All right, finally. All right. So we had this area that I wanted to break and retest. Okay. So here I kind of missed this trade earlier on. That would be a nice entry right here. But you know what? Nothing happened for nothing. Actually ending up having a better entry, and the reason why it's because here, let's put this bigger. Bam. All right. So here I was not in front of a computer anymore. And the problem is we didn't broke structure. All right. So if you look here, I mean, we got this, and this is something that Alex opened my eyes on. I mean, we're still trending, we're trending bullish in that, lower time frame. So I need price to come here, break that structure. So now we're looking bearish. and I need a pullback. I need resistance to be formed right here, not breaking this, respecting this resistance, lower, right? And I need an engulfing candle right here. So this was my signal, but I actually took it on the 30-minute, which was perfect right here. All right. So nice engulfing candle, 30-minute candle placed up above this resistance. So I had like a 36.5 stop loss, went for a three. No, this one was a 2.5 RR, but I can, if I wanted to, I can hold it a little bit more and it would play out. And the reason why I got out around this area, it's because of this area right here, this daily support. If you look, bam, oops, right here. So this daily support right here, I mean, I was like, all right, there's a big chance we might reject this area. So let me not take any chance. Let me stick here in full around this area and I'll be happy with that. And I was super, super, super happy. So yeah, I mean, huge trade for me. As you know, if you've been following me for a little while, I've been only scalping and doing 1-for-1, 2-to-1 max, I mean, even 2-to-1, it was really rare, to be honest. It was mostly 1-to-1. All right, so let's see if we have any question about that one. Let's see. Any questions? Let me go back to StreamYard. No questions? Man, you guys are quiet. You guys are quiet. Definitely quiet. All right, so let's see. All right, cool. So next trade. I think the next trade, we already broke it down. Did we broke it down? Let me check, guys. Where was it? Yeah, this was the GA trade. Yeah, we actually talked about that one already. Yeah, we already talked about that one. And I wanted to talk about like journaling today, but since I'm only on my laptop, it's gonna be really hard to go bounce back and forth on my Trixie. So I'll do that next week. Okay. So I know there's a lot of people who ask me about like the funding talent conversation. So basically, I mean, I reached out to Jess, the owner of Funding Talent, or was the owner of Funding Talent because it went down to drain. And I was really mad because she ran away with a lot of money, uh, ending up not paying a lot of people. Some of my students did have like some nice payout and they didn't get anything. So I'm really mad about this situation. And I went in their DM and said that basically, I mean, you can literally read the conversation on my story on Instagram about that. So hopefully she's gonna come forward and explain the situation because right now, I mean, she's showing up on IG like there's nothing happened. So I really encourage you guys to go raid her IG and ask for explanation. I mean, because it's not fair. It's just not fair for people that being scammed and didn't get paid. So, anyways, this is just my 2 cents about it. But hey, cheers. All right, so let's see. Do we have any questions here? What time is it now? 6:30. Oh, we're good. We're good. But I didn't took a lot of trades this week because I was up like 9.88% with those swing trades. So I was like, you know what? I don't need to risk anything right now. Just like I'm happy with those profits. So let's see here. Let me check. Okay, perfect. I know someone asked me. Let me see the question here. Give me 1 sec. Bear with me. Oops. There we go. Okay, perfect. No, so I think we answered that question already. Fib level, yeah, fib level, it's easy. Let me show it to you. So someone asked, where is that fib level? Really simple. Give me 1 sec here. I see a question coming up here. Sup, bro? Cedric from Bootcamp here. Fire Trades, bro. Oh, yeah. What's up, Cedric? Yeah, so Cedric was from the bootcamp with Alex. This was fire. Yeah, that was fire, fire, fire. Yeah, that trade was good, man. I really, 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 really happy with it. But yeah, this GJ trade would have worked too. Amazing. So let me show you guys, because someone asked about the fib level. So in that example, let's say on GJ. Oh, my screen is small. Give me one sec. Here we go. That should be better. All right. So basically, guys, really simple. You grab your fib, you grab your fib tool, right? And personally, the way I place it, and maybe there's different ways that people does it, I actually place it from the beginning of the push to the upside to the end of the push, right? So basically, from the beginning of the push to the end of the push, right here. Oops, sorry. The beginning of the push session. Bam. Right here. So right here was my fib level right here. All right. So, oh, this one was beyond the 30 minutes. Sorry, guys. Do apologize. But anyways, you understand the point. You put from the beginning of your push to the end of the push. That's going to give you your fib level, right? So this one was on the 30-minute. That's why. So yeah. So basically, I highlight the 50 and the 618, and that's it. Which is pretty good because this one actually lined up with the previous support also, which is an extra confirmation. What else? Let's see. Do we have another question here? Said and forget, bro. Yeah, that's the thing, bro, Cedric. That's the thing I need to work on because sometimes I do put a trade and I still looking at it. I need to forget about it. So, but I think that's the hardest part, especially for a person like me that is used to be scalping for the past years. So yeah, I mean, like this trade I grabbed like 15 20-ish pips, but it could be like 113, but I didn't hold because GJ I use it mostly for scalping, and all the rest now I start to look like for entries on swing. Right, GJ was really really good to me this week. Like, look at those trades. Those trade was fired. I mean, except that one. That one I got a loss here. Got a loss because I was too early in the move. And okay, so I'll show you here a mistake that I used to do. Here was a mistake. Very simple. I didn't wait for a break of structure, right? So that's something I learned with Alex. If you look here, I mean, we are. Oops, let me grab this arrow. We're coming down here, and we come up here. Actually, took the entry right here on this candle. The first engulfing candle took it in the golden zone. I took it. The problem is we're still bearish at that moment. Look at this here. Boom. We create a new low. So we're definitely bearish. So now I need to wait for this structure, to actually break, this level. So now we break it, you know, we break it right here. And I went on the lower time frame on the 30-minute to see a retest of this area. So if you look now, I gave that trade a second chance. Boom. I went on the 30-minute and look at this. We got a nice break retest engulfing candle. Boom, write it up. And that one was a 7.16 RR. That one was sick. Yes. This one was fire. Cheers, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much a trade I took this week, to be honest. Not much. This week and last week, I didn't took that many trade. I used to be trading like at least like one trade a day, sometimes two, three trades a day. So I had a lot of trades to break down. Now these days, less is more, baby. Less is more. Um, let's see. Do we have any question? Yeah, I do apologize for the quality. Like I said, I'm on my laptop right now because I'm at the hotel. Bam, I'm at the hotel right now for business. So that's why the quality is not that great. Let's see. Questions. Are we good? Questions. Let's see. You guys are way too quiet, man. I used to get like tons of questions. What's up with that? But the algorithm doesn't like me anymore, so I need you to smash the like button as you come in, guys. Um, yeah, like I said, I used to be streaming like 4 times a week. Now I'm only streaming twice, so obviously the algorithm's not going to push me. All right, guys. So I guess that's it. If you guys don't have any question, I'm gonna go enjoy my night. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be live Tuesday morning, 6:30. No, that's not true at all. I'm not there next week. I'm going on a cruise, baby. So I'm going on a cruise on Sunday, and I'll be back the week after. So no trading for me this week. I'm gonna be on vacation. I'm gonna enjoy some sun cruise. I'm going in Miami. Take the cruise from there, and woo, I'm gone. So trade safe, guys. Don't do anything stupid. Do not overtrade. Do not over leveraging. Of course, if you need anything, let us know. Send me a DM. I'll try to answer all your questions. So if you had a question, or let's say you're watching the replay right now, because I know there's many of you watching the replay. If you're watching the replay and you have a specific question, don't be shy. Send your question through my DMs, and it'll be my pleasure to help you out. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. It was very nice seeing all of you tonight. Cheers. And I'll see you in 2 weeks from now. Take care, guys. Have a great evening, great weekend.